All right, I want to talk to you guys real quick about just installing some professional Christmas lights. And so this house here, not a big light job, but you see just the gables, gutters. We have some nice what are called C7 Christmas lights that are wrapped all around. So I'm going to kind of show you what all that looks like. Here's a few of the tricks of the trade. First off, you have to have good lights, and so these are called C7s. They're cut to fit, so you buy the wire that has a socket every 12 inches, and then you buy bulbs. These are warm white. You can see it's kind of that yellowish color. And these are C7s. C9s are a little bit bigger. These are C7s. And then these are called Tough Clips. These are great, these particular clips, because they don't come off unless you take the bulb off. So as you're moving the lights around, as you're installing them, as you're removing them, you're not dealing with a bunch of clips coming off. But I want to show you just a few things of what we do. First off, we label everything. So I'm going to take a picture here in a minute, and right on this corner here is number 1, and then right up there is number 2. And so when I take a picture, I just do a color coding system of which strand is which. This one's real simple, so it'd be hard to get wrong when we put it up again. But anyway, here a few things about lights is as you're putting the connectors, I don't know if you see up here, you see where that end right there, you see that little itty bitty, there's a little plastic piece right there, I'll show you that in a second, that terminates the end, so it's safe to terminate. And then whenever you do your plugs, like here's our power plug right down here, it's going to power. You want to put the socket, see between those two bulbs right there, whoa, can't see that, between those two bulbs right there, you have where the socket is, and you don't want it right at the base of the valley where water is going to come down. So you see how I have it over to the side. There you go, that's a better picture. So I've got the plugs there, they're over to the side, so that when water comes down the valley, it's not going to short that out. And then we've just got the plug into a timer right over there. And so yeah, so each strand is cut to fit. We only have 2 strands on this whole house. The first one starts right here, goes up that way, goes down that way, comes along the side right there, and then I have like one empty socket right there, you know, because I don't want just a light hanging. And then it goes along that gutter line there, over here, and then that tall gable up and down. So that's one whole strand. And the second strand, power comes up there, so you see where that is. Same thing with water. You want to think, where's water going to be? Don't put a plug where water is, but then it goes just that top gable. So that's number 2. And then as far as the plugs go, well, there's my coffee, that's fun. As far as the plugs go, let me show you what those look like. They're called vampire plugs, and they're exactly what they sound like. They have teeth, and they cut into the wire. So when you do this too, if you do it professionally, know what your state requires. If you know, some states require you to be an electrician to do this stuff. So here's a male plug. There's what the bottom looks like. They're just called vampire plugs. Here's a female plug. Same thing. Here's what those little connectors on the end look like when you're terminating a wire. But we get all of our product from 1000bulbs.com. And we've got a great team member there who helps us, gives us discounts and bulk orders. But they have good products, good prices, and yeah, just fun doing Christmas lights. We do it professionally as part of our annual services that we offer. But a homeowner can do this too. And so as far as cost goes, it just depends on how much volume you're getting, what you're buying. It's good product though. You can cut it to fit. If something goes bad, you can replace a bulb easily. And they just look great when they're all lit up and when it's dark. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful for you for putting up Christmas lights for the holiday season.